I feed them. Because monsters create balance. And life without balance is... chaos. Duh.
Oh.
Think of it this way. The monsters and I are now friends. And together, we're settling the score.
Sounds like gobbledygook.
Janie, we're friends.
I guess.
As your friend, I would like you to meet my other friend. That's what friends do, don't they?
They do?
Oh, she's going to love you.
Really?
Julia! Janie, be a lady.